Hello class, Aldo Figueroa here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access uh, Autodesk Character Generator to be able to create your own custom characters for use within Autodesk Maya. So I'm going to go to the site students.autodesk.com and I'm going to go ahead and press return. This is a site that students are able to access to be able to use the Adobe applications for many of their applications with a 3-year limited license. So all of my students for my course should have already created their own account to be able to access Maya. But in this case, we're not going to be using Maya. We need access to Character Generator. So we do not need to sign in at this point. I'm going to go to right here to free software. And on this site, I'm going to scroll down and we're going to go to all the listed products and we want to click right here to the Character Generator. It's going to take us to the Character Generator site, and here this is where we have to gain access. So now we're going to sign in with credentials that we use to create our login information. Each one of you should have your own account. There's no need of sharing an account. So I'm going ahead and inputting my information. And once you've done that, you should get this, meaning that it's step 2 is gaining the access. You now have obtained access to this product, and step 3 is now going on to their website. There's a link right here. I'm going to click here, and once you go here, it is going to ask you to sign in once again. Before we move on, there are like information if you want some information about the product, about the character generator. You can find some over here on the bottom right hand side. I'm going to go ahead and click on sign in, and it's going to use hopefully my sign in information, and just like that we now have access to Adobe's character generator. When you first sign in for the first time, you will not see any character designs. I've already used it previously. You can see some of the designs that I have here. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to create your first character. So stick around and I'll see you then. Thanks. Bye.